Only two lines. Okay, repo rate is that rate at which commercial banks are getting short-term loans from the RBI, and bank rate is that rate of interest at which commercial banks are getting long-term loans from the RBI. Means for long-term loans, bank rate is applied, and short-term loan, the repo rate is applied. That's all. In every material circulated in the industry, provided by every institution, you can see only two lines. And is padhai se, even nowadays, you cannot become class 4th employee. Class 4th employee. Okay. When I discuss repo rate, I will be taking more than 2 hours. More than 2 hours I will take to discuss only the concept of SLR and the repurchase agreement, how the system is working. Okay, I hope you don't mind my words. I'm very strict. Okay. Basically, I have come here not to appreciate you, because I know you people are more talented than me. Science says, new generation, they are always more talented. I have come to, my purpose is to let you think, start thinking. Please interact with me and start using the talent, inherent talent you people have. Okay? Struggle in my classroom, no problem. Yahan struggle karoge, because I know the things very well. I am doctorate from Delhi School of Economics. I am a chartered accountant as well. I am purely from academics, and I am teaching. It's the second generation to whom I am teaching right now. I am teaching since you are born. It's my 30th years of teaching and taking classes almost throughout the India. Almost throughout India. So that's why I can see, I never lie. After seeing your answer, I can only realize that the quality of this batch is one of the best I have faced. Good answers, and those people whose answer is wrong, so they will be in a better position in the future, because they are not going to commit the same mistake again. Okay, so I hope things are clear now. Okay, so flexibility is the key. But in case of some government bond, you can see one of the clause. Suppose government is issuing one of the bond, and the term says that there will be a lock-in period of 3 years. Lock-in period will be of 3 years. It means your investment will be completely locked for 3 years. No way you will get the money. So these things are made, let me think of it. Lock-in period, 3 years. You buy the bond, but one of the condition is that lock-in period of this investment will be 3 years. No way you will get the money. No one is going to entertain. So before you invest, just check whether there is a lock-in period or not. If there is a lock-in period of 3 years, and after 2 years of purchase, some urgency has come, no bank even is going to entertain. You will be getting your money back, not from the government, there are two options I have discussed, but only when lock is over. Lock-in period is commonly basically used by insurance companies. Let me now discuss the concept of insurance. I am concerned with life insurance. Now, buying life insurance policy, it is not optional, basically, it is compulsion. Because being the head of the family, I am the head of the family, not to you people. Tomorrow, aap bhi head of the family hoge. So being the head of the family, you have to, it is your prime duty to protect the economic interest of the family members. Life has two sides. So I have to think about both aspects. Whether I am alive or I am not alive. If I am alive, definitely I will try to manage. I will manage. But if I am not alive, that period also we consider even I am not alive, my family should not come under any financial strain. And here, life insurance is going to help. So the least flexible investment it is life insurance. Let me discuss by taking one example. These things, they matter for you people as well. Because so many times I have told you that Indians are not good managers. To earn money will not be a big problem for you people. The big problem will be to manage the finance. To manage finance. Even sometime you are right now a student. Okay, कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you fail to realize अभी तो इतना पैसा था पता नहीं क्या हुआ. Have you ever realized these things? Although, okay, yes, even though you are not liable to anything, you are depending on your parents, still you fail to realize इतना पैसा तो था पता नहीं क्या हो गया कहाँ गया. Okay, and once you are responsible, okay, so definitely, okay, yes, okay, that will go to take place. So if you are a good manager, na, if you are a good manager, and definitely once my classes are over, you will be one of the best financial manager. Okay, doesn't matter whether you belong to rural area or urban area. Regarding rural area, I have already discussed. It's a full of opportunity. Full of opportunity. So many things we have discussed. Right now we are discussing the share market. Coming to now. Okay, let us see the example. Being the head of the family, today I decided to buy life insurance policy of 20 lakhs. 20 lakh. So policy's life is, policy, this is called sum assured. Sum assured, firstly, insured person. Who is going to be the insured person? Insured person, suppose me. Okay. Now the sum assured you can say, is rupees 20 lakh. And maturity, 20 years. Maturity is 20 years. Okay. Three things. Insured person myself, मैंने policy ली. Insurance amount, the sum assured is rupees 20 lakh. And maturity period, it will be 20 years. I hope these things are you comfortable in these things? Okay. Now big people, rich people, their sum assured may be few crores. Okay. So according to the sum assured and the, you can say, maturity, premium is good to vary. Okay, now insurance business is conducted mainly through agents. So two questions, they are normally asked from the agent. I ask the agent, first question, if I die, what will happen? Because I have to pay, okay, for the next 20 years. It is not only covering the risk of my life, but it is also my investment. Okay. The first question that is normally asked from the agents, कि if I die, ask the agent, अगर मैं मर गया, तो what will happen? So agent will not be telling anything. Sir, why you are talking like this? Nothing will happen. But to my family members, agent will be describing all the benefits they will get if I am not more. This is the true reality. I hope you are comfortable here. Okay. मुझसे कुछ नहीं कहेगा, but describing each and everything to my family members कि these are the benefits. Okay. And sometimes benefits are so highlighted कि family members, they get confused. They become double-minded, you can say. Anyway, second question, कि if I kept on paying or keep on paying for the next 20 years, then policy will mature, then how much money I will get? Because it is my investment as well. So here there is a difference between LIC and the others. Now LIC is the only insurance company because it's a government company. LIC is investing my premium in the government sector. In the government sector. And LIC is the largest buyer of government bond. LIC is the largest buyer of government bond. I hope this point is clear, yes or no? Government bond we have discussed. LIC is said to be Sankat Mochak, helping the government on every front. LIC, I repeat, is the largest buyer of government bond. Okay? So only LIC agent can tell you that after 20 years, this will be the minimum guaranteed return. Minimum this much you will get, because that guarantee is provided by the government. You will get minimum of this much of money. It can be more depending on the performance of the company. If the company is doing well, then company will give you certain bonus as well. But this is going to be your minimum guaranteed return. It is can be told only by the LIC agent. LIC agent. But if the insurer, means insurance company, is other than LIC, so what they will do with your premium? So if they wish, they can also buy or invest in government bond. But normally, they don't invest in government sector. They will invest your premium in the share market just like a mutual fund. Just like a mutual fund. Debt versus equity. So when your agent belongs to these companies, they cannot tell you anything, because they know that your money is going to be invested in the share market. And in which direction in the next 20 years share market will go, no one has idea. Share market mein kal kya hoga, no one knows. And what will happen to share market, whether it will be on the boom or say they collapse, no one knows. So again, they mislead the people. They mislead the people. The share market is growing at a rate of 6%, maybe 10%. Even if we go for 10%, this is going to be value. So don't follow them. Anyway, now come to others. Okay. In the insurance, life insurance should be made compulsory, because it is going to protect the family members in those conditions when the head of the family, the earning member, is no more. So what the government of India's policy is to encourage Indian people to buy life insurance policies. Now leave the death side. It is my investment as well. And mode of payment of premium, it is annual, maybe half yearly, maybe quarterly, and nowadays, particularly for the, you can say, job holders, naukri wale log, monthly premium is also allowed. It is up to you. Okay, so it is, I am discussing investment side. Whenever I am paying the premium, it is my investment as well. And as I am paying more and more premium, the value of the investment will increase. So can I get the money back before maturity? No. Reason being, in case of life insurance, lock-in period is 5 years. Lock-in period. Earlier it was 3 years, now increased to 5 years. 5 years. Your money is completely locked for the first 5 years. You cannot touch a single rupee from there. आप देख रहे हो कि आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट का वैल्यू इतना है, बट लॉक्स आर देयर. गवर्नमेंट चाहती है कि फंसा के रखना, रख लेना. आफ्टर 5 years, lock will be open. Remember, the policy's timing is 20 years. First 5 years, it will be completely locked. You cannot touch a single rupee, although the value of the investment has reached a certain level. Okay. Now, in between, once 5 years is over, lock will be open. So, in between 5 to 10 years, lock will be open, but not completely, partially. Partially lock will open. And suppose कि different companies, their rate is different. It says it's a 30%. It means you can take out maximum up to 30% of the value of investment. Okay. Let us see the example. Suppose in the 8th year, I has got some emergency. Okay. I need my money. Okay. Can I take out the entire money? No. So when I saw the insurance fund value, it was reaching rupees 5 lakh. The day I needed money, the value of my investment has increased to 5 lakh. So can I take out this entire money? No. Maximum is 30% of that. It means they can provide me only 1,50,000. so that my money remains with them and under compulsion मैं pay करता रहूं and till I am paying, my family is safe. My family is safe. In between 10 to 15 years, this becomes 60%. You can take maximum up to 60%. So never, because why not 100%? Why not 100%? Why 100% withdrawal is not allowed? Logic is very simple. Because people of India, their investment habit is very poor. Very, very poor. If 100% is allowed, what I will do during 8th year, I will take out the entire money, and after that, I will stop paying the premium. And once premium remains unpaid, policy will be discontinued, and the safety of my family will be gone. I hope you are getting this point, yes or no? If 100% is allowed, what I will do, anytime, I will take the entire money, and then premium paid will be stopped. Okay. And once premium paid is not made, so definitely policy will be discontinued. Okay. तो वो अलग बात है. But the main thing is कि safety of my family is also gone. That's why what government want, okay, कि don't allow them 100%. Partial withdraw. 100% will get only when the policy gets matured. Why lock-in period? Earlier, it was only 3 years. But then 2017, 7 years ago, new insurance policy came, and the lock-in period for insurance company was increased from 3 years to 5 years. Okay. अगर मेरा बस चले, I will go for lock-in period for the entire period of 20 years. So that under compulsion, people pay, keep on paying, and as a result, the family will be well protected. Now let us make a comparison. Recently, the regulator of insurance sector is the IRDA. IRDA बोलते हैं. It has allowed we people insurance portability. Insurance portability. What is that? Just like mobile portability. Anytime you can change okay, your insurance company. Suppose कि I have taken life insurance policy of, say, one of the company, HDFC Ergo. And when the premium became due, annual premium, I realized that premium has suddenly been increased from, suppose, 30,000 to 50,000 premium. So then I can switch over to some other company. I means I can change the company, and all my rights, okay, they will be well protected. They will be well protected. Okay. But in the Western country, this policy is more matured, because it can be sold to some other person as well. This facility has not been allowed till today in India. What is the sale of the insurance policy? Let us see. Just like if you purchase shares of some company and you don't want to keep the shares, so can it be sold to some other person? Yes, it can be sold to anyone. Okay. In the Western country, just like shares, insurance policy can also be sold. See the example, same example. Suppose after 5 years, I decided not to keep the investment. So this policy, I can sell to someone else. Suppose I sold the policy to Mr. Y. And Mr. Y gave all me the money, whatever the value of investment. Now, Mr. Y will be paying the rest of the premium, and the insurance company will be covering the risk of the life of Mr. Y. This facility is not there in India even today. Why it is not allowed in India? It should never be allowed, in my opinion. Reason very simple. Now things have become very easy because of everything is online. Indian people, they are very, very फाउंड ऑफ ईटिंग, खाने पीने के बड़े शौकीन होते हैं. खाने पीने का जब दौर चलेगा, खास करके पीने का, और पैसे कम पड़ जाएंगे, they won't hesitate to sell the policy. They will definitely sell the policy. They will get the money. It's not the money. When policy is sold, you are also losing safety of your family. I hope you got the point. When policy is gone, it means it's the safety of the money is gone. That is the main criteria. That is the main criteria. I hope you people are getting comfortable because of your caliber is very good. Why this policy sale is not allowed in India? I hope you got the meaning of that. Reason behind that. So insurance portability is something different. That has been allowed. Okay. But sale of insurance policy till today, it is not being allowed. Okay, now my question is, the problem with the present government is, Ajay, my approach is always rational. Wherever government performance is good, I will appreciate the government. At that time, you will realize it seems sir is from BJP. No, but whenever government policy is poor, I will definitely criticize the government. Then you will be thinking, it seems sir is from other party. No, I don't belong to any party. My approach is rational. Rational. So my question from you, particularly life insurance. Just like insurance of vehicle, गाड़ियों का जो insurance है, has it been made compulsory for the vehicle owner? Insurance policy of the vehicle. Yes, it has been made compulsory. Similarly, life insurance policy should be made compulsory. Even it is not compulsory, each people of India should be encouraged by the government through the policy so that they can come forward and buy life insurance policy to protect the financial interest of the family member. So my question for you, should the people of India be encouraged by the government to come forward and buy the life insurance policies?